Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the Acer TravelMate P2, TMP215-55. To see the internals of this notebook, you have to undo 11 Phillips head screws. Pop the bottom plate in the zones behind the hinges. They feel a bit spongy, so it's best to hold them down with a finger while you're working with the lever tool. Lift the edges and pry the rear. The last step is to pry the sides and the front. Instead of screws, the battery is held in place by a dedicated socket on the inside of the bottom panel. The device that we picked is equipped with a base 53 watt-hour battery. For longer autonomous work, you can get the optional 65 watt-hour variant. To take it out, unplug the connector by pulling it towards the battery and just lift it away from the chassis. The capacity is enough for 8 hours of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Battery Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu and the Silent mode applied in the AcerSense app. According to Acer, the pair of SODIMMs fit up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5, 520 MHz memory in dual-channel mode. However, since the CPU can support up to 96 gigabytes, this laptop likely wouldn't have issues running a larger amount of memory than the official manufacturer's specified limit. The RAM module is wrapped in a plastic film that has a thermal pad on the inside. For storage, there are two M.2 slots for 2280 NVMe drives. The one on the right houses a Gen 4 unit. The Wi-Fi 6E card is positioned below the fan. The cooling is basic. It comprises one fan, a heat pipe, a top-mounted heatsink, and a heat spreader.